Hello everyone, it's Catherine from my hillside garden. Today is February 28th. It's actually 27 degrees outside. I just wanted to come and check on the low tunnel. Thought I'd bring you along to see what the temperature is inside. And the temperature is actually 53 degrees. I don't know if I could get a picture of it. It's dropped down a little bit, but I just wanted you to see how well just that one cover could help you in your garden. So I'd like to encourage anyone who wants to get a head start on their spring garden, their spring growing, to put some hoops over a bed, over some pots, get some plastic. It doesn't even need to be clear plastic. I think I got this at Tractor Supply a couple years ago. It's been at least 3 winters and it's done really well for me. So I just wanted to share that with you today, and I hope you have a fabulous weekend. Thank you to all my new subscribers. I appreciate you so much, as well as those of you who've been with me for a while. I receive so much encouragement from all of your comments. Please keep them coming. Have a good one. Happy gardening. Hello everyone, it's Catherine from my hillside garden. Today is Wednesday, March 4th. And when I opened up the low tunnel, I saw something exciting and that pleases me very much. So I wanted to bring you along for that, but I wanted to tell you a little bit about our weather this past 2 weeks or so. We've had days in the 70s with the sun, but cool breezes. We've also had evenings in the teens. So for those of you that are across the pond, when I say it's in the teens, it's about 20 degrees below freezing. It's not below 0, but it's below 32 degrees, and 32 degrees is freezing here in the United States. So I'm really excited. It's been, I can't remember the exact date that I planted those. I'll have to look it up. I'll try to remember to put it at the bottom of the screen. But come on, let's go take a look. It is a very chilly 50 degrees today with a wind chill. I'm not sure what that is, but that's why I have a sweater on. And here's a look inside. When I opened up the low tunnel, it was 71 degrees. Currently, it's 66. So just by having this end open, it did help to cool it off. And I'm hoping that you can see what's going on here. We have some French breakfast radishes that have come up. And this guy here, I have a feeling I missed a bulb or a clove of garlic last year when I pulled the garlic out. So I'm thinking this is going to be garlic. But I do think I might already begin to have some slug damage here. So I have to get out my pellets. Very disturbing. See, I don't know if you could tell. You can kind of see on this leaf. It looks like somebody's been nibbling it. But my other exciting thing is there's spinach up. I'm so happy. Let me see if I put the date on the label. Oh, and I did, January 29th. So it did take just over a full month for those to grow. I did put them directly in the ground. But the other day when I opened up the low tunnel, it was 99 degrees in here. That's what the sun can do if you can get a low tunnel or a cover even on some of your beds. It will help to keep the soil warm so that you can start some plants early. And as you can see all the way down, I have quite a few of my winter sowing containers in here. Now you don't need to do that with your winter sowing containers. They're meant to be left outside, and I do have a bunch that are actually on the deck. There's that kale, still looking very nice. winter sowing containers that are still on the deck, but I want these to come along a little bit sooner so that maybe we could start to get greens earlier. So I just wanted to share that with you. I'm so happy. March 4th, we have sprouts. So I hope you enjoyed today's little view of the low tunnel, and I hope whatever you're doing today, you're having a great time in the garden. Thank you so much for all of your comments and for watching the videos. I do appreciate it. It means so much to me. Have a great day. Happy gardening.